My name is Eleanor, and I'm 92 years old. I haven't stood on a stage in over 50 years. The last time I picked up this violin in front of people was at my husband's funeral. He was the first person who ever believed in my music. We used to play together in the living room, him on the piano, me on the violin. We didn't have much, but when we played, it felt like the world disappeared. After he passed, I couldn't bear to play again. The silence was easier than the sound without him. But a few months ago, I found this old violin tucked away in the attic, and I heard his voice in my heart saying, "Play it for me one more time." So tonight, I'm not just playing notes. I'm playing memories. I'm playing love. This is for him, and for anyone who's ever lost someone but still carries their music inside. You know, when you get to be my age, people don't expect much from you anymore. They look at your wrinkles, your cane, your slow steps, and they think the story is over. But I'm here to tell you, as long as your heart still beats, your story isn't finished. Sometimes the most beautiful music comes from the quietest corners. Sometimes the oldest souls still have the loudest songs. I may not have the strength I once had in my hands, but I still have fire in my soul. I'm nervous, I won't lie. My fingers don't move like they used to. But I'm not here to be perfect. I'm here to be real. If just one person out there hears this and finds the courage to dust off their old dream, then this was worth every shaky step it took to get here. Thank you for listening to an old woman's heart. Now, if you'll allow me, I'd like to play something for the love of my life.